The people saying no to your offer might not be saying no to what you're selling. They might be saying no to paying full price all at once. Well, Flodesk just rolled out something I think we've all been waiting for, and it's going to solve this exact problem. By the way, I'm Molly Balint. I'm a business coach and Instagram expert, and I help women build soft businesses, not by hustling harder, but by leaning into their voice, their strengths, and showing up exactly as they are. Split payments have come to Flodesk Checkouts, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find them, how to set them up, and how to customize them for your offer. Once you're inside your Flodesk checkout, you want to click on Setup. Here's where you can set the price for your offer, but it's also where you can toggle on to allow a payment plan. This is going to be how you can set up those split payments for your offer. Here you can set up the frequency of payments and the number of installments you want to allow. The frequency can be set to either monthly payments or weekly payments, and then you can set up the number of installments you want to allow as well. This will give you a little update here at the bottom of the screen that will tell you exactly how those installments and those payments are going to shake out. And then once you do this, you can simply hit publish. Now, when your customers are in the checkout, they can see the option to select one payment or to pay in installments. It will tell them exactly what's due today, and it will tell them when the payments will be occurring in the future. With payment plans, you are going to be able to split a one-time purchase into multiple payments. This is going to make your premium offers easy for your people to afford and easier for you to sell. You don't need any third-party tools. You don't need a complex setup. You'll be able to create a simple, seamless, and beautifully branded experience, help you get more conversions right inside Flodesk Checkout.